Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and this is Mr. Jovenal Narcisse on your Cotton, Leather, and Others YouTube channel. And for today's video, I'm going to unbox an item that I ordered from Ironheart, United Kingdom in the middle of June, and I received it in the middle of July after a very fast shipping from London all the way to Los Angeles. And then my forwarder, which is the Johnny Air Cargo, sent it to me to Manila, Philippines through the Johnny Air Cargo Plus uh, shipping. And I got it here in the Philippines after a record of 12 days. 4 days from London to Los Angeles, and then another 8 days from Los Angeles to Manila. And I have it here in the usual green bag, and I'm going to unbox this. By the way, I only paid 1,444 pesos for the shipping fee of this item. The usual brown bag. I miss receiving this Ironheart brown bag, and we will see what is inside. And I think since the last Ironheart that I bought was from the Self-Edge, this is a an epic purchase direct from UK Ironheart. So this is the 16-ounce Slubby jacket, 5526J slub, 16-ounce and small size. All my Ironheart jackets are medium in size, and after checking and studying the size description and size data of this jacket, I opted to order the size small, and we will see how it fits later. So this is a 16 Slubby denim. I got this sticker, the usual thing, tag. The catalog. We will see what is inside, if there is anything here. Oh, I think there's none. So that's it. And this is how the jacket looks like. It has a slubby texture, 16-ounce. Actually, this is my first Type 3 jacket, and it has this is a modified Type 3 jacket. This has side pockets, the left and the right. The shoulder measurement is 16.9, so I usually go for 17 inches on the shoulder, and then the length is 23.8, which is almost 24 inches. The chest, which is under the armpit, from pit to pit, it is 20.4 inches. and the waist is 18.9 inches, and the opening is 18.6 inches. The sleeve is 24.5 inches, and the opening is 4.3 inches. This is my second type 3, but this is my first denim, selvage denim, because the first one that I ordered was a type 3 whipcord jacket in blue, and then the other one is a zippered jacket in brown, which is also a whipcord, and this is the first selvage denim from Ironheart that I was able to purchase either Slubby 16 ounces denim fabric. So we're going to open the front pockets, and we'll try to look inside. It has a leather patch on the nape portion, and this is the size. It is a size 36, which is small. You can see the selvage edge on the placket of the denim jacket on both sides. Of course, it has a internal pocket here where you can store your passport or some travel documents or some cash if you're traveling in other countries. And of course, the Works logo on the left pocket flap. And at the back, you have these buttons or adjustments, and very nice stitching and very nice texture of the Slubby Salvage denim from Works Incorporated and from Ironheart. So this is $444, and if you convert this in Philippine pesos, um, it's almost 24,000 pesos. So nice, very light, very soft, not stiff, and we will see how it fits on the next fitting video. Thank you for watching and have a good day. Bye.